Ever notice how your speakers are always in the way? On your shelf? On your desk? Tripping you up in the hallway? What if I told you your entire house could sound incredible and you'd never see a single speaker? Here's the thing. Most people think whole home audio means wires everywhere, bulky speakers, and a weekend wasted trying to set it up. But that's not true anymore. Ceiling speakers have gotten so good, they disappear into your home and still deliver sound that fills the whole room. So today, I'm breaking down the 5 best ceiling speakers for whole home audio. Stick around for number 1, because it might be the easiest upgrade you make this year. Let's start with number 5, the Polk Audio RC80i. This one's for the person who wants reliable sound without spending a fortune. It's got a two-way design that handles both music and movie nights just fine. Installation is simple too, even if you've never touched a ceiling speaker before. But here's the catch. The bass is a little light. If you want deep, thumpy sound, you'll want a subwoofer alongside it. Number 4, the Yamaha NSIC 800. This one's for anyone building a true multi-room system. It pairs beautifully with Yamaha receivers, and the sound staging is surprisingly wide for a ceiling speaker. You get clear vocals, balanced mids, and a natural, non-fatiguing tone. The drawback? It's picky about placement. Put it in the wrong spot, and you'll lose some of that clarity. Number 3, the Sonance Visual Performance VP66. This is the pick for people who care about aesthetics as much as sound. It's got a paintable grille, so it blends right into your ceiling, almost invisible. The sound is smooth, detailed, and great for background music throughout the day. Honest downside? It's on the pricier side for what you get in raw power. Number 2, the Klipsch CDT 5650C2. This one's for the home theater lovers. It's got that signature Klipsch punch, crisp highs, strong dynamics, perfect for movie nights or upbeat playlists. It also handles higher volumes without distorting. The only drawback? Bigger cutout size, so installation takes a bit more planning. And finally, number 1, the Sonos In-Ceiling by Sonance. If you already use Sonos, this is basically a no-brainer. Seamless integration with the Sonos app, multi-room control, and sound quality that punches way above expectations for a ceiling speaker. You can group rooms, adjust volume from your phone, and stream from pretty much anywhere. The only real catch? It's built specifically for the Sonos ecosystem. So if you're not already in that world, there's a bit of a learning curve.
What was that? The ball.
So there you have it, 5 ceiling speakers that can transform how your whole home sounds. Whether you want budget-friendly or full smart home integration, there's an option here for you. Check the latest prices using the links in the description. They change often, so you might find a better deal today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.